Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about GPT-4, the latest language model developed by OpenAI. GPT-4 is an incredibly advanced and sophisticated system that can take in and generate up to 25,000 words of text, around 8 times more than ChatGPT. The current version of ChatGPT is built on GPT 3.5 with 175 billion machine learning parameters, but GPT-4 has 100 trillion machine learning parameters. GPT-4 will be able to process multiple types of data, including videos, images, and sound. From one perspective, GPT-4 is a tool, a thing you can use to get useful tasks done in language. But from another perspective, it's a system that can make dreams, thoughts, and ideas flourish in text in front of you. It understands images and can express logical ideas about them. One of the most exciting areas where GPT-4 has incredible potential is in education. It can teach a huge range of subjects and imagine, giving a fifth grader a personal math tutor with unlimited time and patience. It's a great tool to bring learning to everyone in a way that is personalized to their skill level. GPT-4 brings the dream of having the most useful, helpful assistant to life. It's really about adding as much value to everyday life as possible. GPT-4 training finished last August, and everything that has been happening in the past few months up until its release has been a giant sprint to make it safer, more aligned, and also more useful. GPT-4, in the same vein as GPT-3, will be utilized for a variety of linguistic applications, including code creation, text summarization, language translation, classification, chatbots, and grammar correction. The updated version of the model will further have improved safety, less subjectivity, increased precision, and enhanced coherence while making sure that the consumers will have something sturdy and economic.
For more AI and technology related videos, subscribe to our channel.